Hello, everyone. Good morning, and welcome back to Daily Crypto News. It's July 1st, Monday. I'm Sarah Kwan, your host on Monday. Hope you had a great weekend, and officially, we're in the second half of 2024. Can you believe it? The market is trying to recover, but I know that there will be some challenges. Let's talk about it more a bit later. Before we jump in, make sure to, of course, leave a 5-star review of Daily Crypto News. And of course, we have started a new show called Trends with Benefits. I think you guys would love it. Of course, everybody loves to be recommended with different coins, different tokens in the market. Make sure to check it out and show some love. All right, let's get started. As Bitcoin looks to recover again, like I said earlier in the beginning, from the loss from a couple months, new challenges ahead. And on-chain data suggests that we might have some resistance at 65K. Bitcoin is trading around $63,200 right now. And in this article, Blockware, the Bitcoin mining company, analysts from that company said something like this. Quote, during the 2017 cycle, Bitcoin had 10 drawdowns of 20% or more. This is a normal, healthy bull market correction. Bitcoin price volatility shakes out weak hands and provide opportunities for strategic capital deployment to those with a long time horizon. I could not agree more. Unless you are a diamond hand, very quick trader, Bitcoin is for someone with a longer term perspective, at least in my opinion. And if you ever doubt the price of Bitcoin, I highly recommend to just zoom out of the timeline of the chart and then see where Bitcoin is actually heading from the beginning of the Bitcoin's birth. It's still going upright direction, so don't forget that. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is expected to approve spot Ethereum ETFs, but it seems like it's been delayed. Initially, it was anticipated to launch by July 4th, but the SEC has returned S1 form to the issuers, including BlackRock and Grayscale, requiring revisions, and it should be submitted by July 8th. And of course, the market experts are expecting to have some couple more revisions back and forth until the ETFs can start trading. So we could imagine Ethereum spot ETF will be in the market around mid to end of July. So that is the timeline we're looking at. Another news about SEC, they filed a suit against Ethereum software firm Consensus on Friday, alleging that the company acted as an unregistered broker of crypto asset securities through its MetaMask swaps service. We know that MetaMask began to provide swaps and also staking service. And SEC is suggesting that Consensus has engaged in the unregistered offer and sale of securities in the form of crypto asset staking program. But the funny thing is that there is no SEC saying that Ethereum itself is securities, but staked ETH, the whole program offered by MetaMask staking service, Ethereum staking service, is an unregistered offer of securities. I know that Consensus will push back and deal with the suit, but in my opinion, SEC needs to really make up their mind. In reality, I really don't think that they have figured out if Ethereum is a securities or not. That's why they're kind of dancing around these products related to ETH or staked ETH. Personally, my suggestion or my solution towards this unclear regulation is to just register a new asset class. I can't really give the specific asset class name. It could be cryptocurrency, it could be digital asset, but we know that cryptocurrency is a different type of asset class that need different treatment. That way, we don't have to force any cryptocurrency related companies going into these lawsuits and forcing every new asset class, for that matter, to be under the same category and be confused. What do you think? What would it take for us to actually have some clarity in the crypto asset regulations? Wherever you are, I would love to hear your thoughts. Sarah at dailycryptonews.net. Late Friday, Judge Amy Berman Jackson of the District Court for the District of Columbia ruled that SEC's charges against Binance for the initial coin offering, ICO, and ongoing sales of BNB, BNB Vault, and staking service, and failure to register and fraud charges can be proceeded. She granted Binance and Zhao CZ's motion to dismiss charges tied to secondary BNB sales and Simple Earn program. Basically, it means that SEC can go ahead and sue Binance for all those charges, but not for the secondary BNB sales and Earn program. Like other judges in the past, Judge Jackson rejected arguments that SEC can't bring enforcement action against crypto entities under the Major Questions Doctrine. The Major Question Doctrines is a principle of statutory interpretation applied in the United States administrative law cases, which states that courts will presume that Congress does not delegate to executive agencies issues of major political or economic significance. While Judge Jackson highlighted that this industry is important, she still ruled that Congress must direct federal agencies' authorities. This case, by the way, is separate from the charges that CZ had gotten in the past. But I believe that this case has more significant impact on the industry because it deals with ICO and staking service as well. So it is against the Binance company. Let's see how it goes. Now, let's see how the markets are doing.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Under the Fear and Greed Index, we are around 49 neutral, slightly higher than last week, but still, we can't really be comforted by this number, right? At the time of my recording, 5 a.m. EDT, if we see the CoinMarketCap chart, by market cap, we have number one Bitcoin sitting at $62,906.23, which is 2.48% up since yesterday. Number two, Ethereum, $3,482.49, 2.84% up since yesterday. Number three, Tether, $0.9988, 0.13% up since yesterday. Number four, BNB, $583.04, 1.34% up since yesterday. Number five, Solana, $147.65, 4.78% up since yesterday. Number six, USDC, $0.9999, 0.02 up since yesterday. Number seven, XRP, $0.4796, 1.21% up since yesterday. Number eight, Ton Coin, $7.67, 0.13% down since yesterday. Number nine, Dogecoin, $0.1257, 2.27% up since yesterday. Number 10, Cardano, $0.3994, 3.22% up since yesterday. And we have the market cap of $2.32 trillion. Market dominance of Bitcoin is 53.5%. Ethereum is 18%. Now that's our first episode of July. Hope you learned something today with me at Daily Crypto News. Hope you start your week strong and share your feedback about Daily Crypto News, trends with benefits, anything at all. You'll have Matt again tomorrow, and until tomorrow, happy hodling, everyone.